Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Ka sarkar jalla haka khat santarek menta unai weng araja khat pra. Kala khot yakran ya ki khat lai tili ki seng bhalang ka jalla. Ban yakran sani halor ka jingdawa jongki ban penstat no haka baidai bat ka jing penyang ki kherdap talasi mender. Hakal lang ki surok ba ki badan hakani ka jalla. Hakani ka jelang bat kini ki seng bhalang. Ki bala pediang ya ka comprehensive mechanism bala terwa da ka sarkar barim. Kini kisah gila penpau ya kejing bitar halor kejing penslam ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kebabat yu lakam sensar hak jela menta ban penyeng ki kerdap talasi mender ni ki belat tiap ru hak tian pareng ki entry but exit points.
Andai nak liang jungi ki kun sang balang kendiat di penpau ya kejing bomso. Hun ya kene kejing kenduk tak sini namar ba kita ki kerdap ni kita ki jaka ba ka sarkar barem galak ban identify du software sapu artli ki jaka ban snai kerdap ka basusi kalong ba tang kawi kita jaka ba na kaliang sarkar galak ya ban finalize ti na kaliang jungi ki kundun sang balang dingi lah kren nak basai sarkar kalong ba kam desu ya ka sarkar dangri dengan kita ki jingi ki kenduk ka sim jaka ngim tep rai kumbak sarkar kala kular nam ta ban sim kya halo kene ke isu influx nakwa sarkar ga de town of madol te kdo ila pan snow sarkar ba la kunu ngi de ban sedang no ita ka fast fiest ban snai kdo bat ka terwo ka misi jungi kalong ba lada kita jing ban snai kdo kin sukut tang kita ki jingi aidau halo jingi ban sim jaka nak liang ki sang balang ngi mesti ban pakhat kumbai ban peniang ula jang kdo ta kam misi sebab clear jungi saka sarkar bat mai bat om tang kata magadang jet rang dei ka di kendu benangkong se am thamai oi ki bri ko thamai ka sarkar thamai ding su tho ba ki officer ki ki ju ki ba ju sim ni kene kap di ki persno ba kam nam kut tam ta kasni ki de nai man wan ki sang yo di ban chong biang ka ru ting ban su tho ban bodin biang ye ne kam ba ta ka ting ye bodin chung ni su tho ba nam kut ta ta ting ai dau pedang ting ni ban se ban pediang mo jong kap nang si.
We had a detailed discussion on the different locations that have been identified, and we have assured everybody that this is an issue that is important to us. The process is complicated. There is a lot of formalities and the land acquisition that needs to be followed. A lot of public hearing needs to be done. Process does take time, so we have briefed everybody. But a lot of things are in advanced stage, and in many locations, in fact, which are critical in nature, a lot of things have really moved quite ahead, and we are in a position where things will land acquisition will be done at a very, very early date. And apart from that also, we also apprise them that an exercise like this not only requires a lot of formalities to be complete, but is also financially a very, very huge exercise when it comes to land acquisition, whether the land improvement, whether the building and construction of the place, the manpower requirement. So therefore, one has to also understand that even though we would want to move at a certain pace, there are a lot of challenges that we face. But I think overall what was important, I think in all NGOs also and the organizations have appreciated that the commitment is there and we all are working together to make sure that this thing moves forward. Yes, the NGOs have expressed their concerns about the delay. They have felt that there's been a lot of time that has gone. 2014 this entire process started, and even the last meeting they had in 2017 in July. So they're saying from that time to this time also they feel that the movement has not been done as per it should be. So we have told them that yes, it is a complicated process, but you will see that in the last few months things have moved much faster than what happened in the last year, in fact. So therefore there is a very strong sense of commitment, and I think even the NGOs appreciate the difficulty, but they have expressed that they would want things to move slightly faster. So we have worked with them, discussed with them, and we are working towards ensuring that we can at least start the process in certain locations. It will not be possible for the government to say that we're going to start in all 41 because of land acquisition and because of financial constraints also. But there are certain key areas which we need to move on. And in those key areas, example, there is one location that is already everything is completed, only now the check payment has to be paid, and that the DC will do in a very short time. And a number of locations, maybe about 5 to 7 locations are there, very critical ones, where we will be in a position for the acquisition in about 2 to 3 months' time. So things are moving at a very fast pace. As I said, it's not fair for me to give a date and a time frame, because land acquisition processes are very complicated. Even one single complaint that comes in, the act is so strong now that it requires hearing after hearing after hearing. So we hope that doesn't happen, and if those things and hurdles don't come in, then I think things should be moving in quite a fast pace. See, the inner line permit is something that is not within the jurisdiction of the district council nor the state. It has to be something that the parliament has to enact. So different organizations and different bodies can not organizations as I say, the different government bodies can express their concerns about it, but ultimately government of India will have to pass the act of parliament. Number one, and number two, as I said, you see, we always are concerned about the main issue, and I think I must say that all the NGOs who have involved in this today's discussion, all the different political leaders, realize that the issue is influence. The issue is protection of our people, and ILP is one point that some people feel is the only solution, and I think we should not focus on ILP as the issue. The issues will always remain infiltration, and there are mechanisms to check infiltration, and I think it is important as leaders, whether NGOs, organizations or state and even media, to understand that let us focus on the core issue, which is influx, and how we can fight it in today's world. So therefore ILP is something that some organizations and some government bodies are talking about it, but it's an issue that needs to be discussed further. Right now we are focused on the entries and points.
Hadian kini keji kendo igi khat lai seng, Menteri Rangba kejala ukondrat kesangma, ulalompat saya kejelang bat ki prateli kiseng balang. Hapo kejelam jangka New Trap Youth Council, ki baladawan ke sarkar jela, pan penteri kamben da ke inner line permit hakani kejela. Namar katkum kejing sengau jongki, kaan Meghalaya Residential Safety and Security Act, kamlong satya kaan, kebate perkheng ye kerong kami jongki barjela, bat ki menderi syakani kejela.
Land acquisition process is a tedious process, especially after the new land acquisition laws have come in. A lot of public hearing, a lot of consultation with the people has to be done. That is one aspect of things. Another aspect is also that there is a massive financial impact also on the state, and therefore it is not a very easy thing for us to implement things in in immediate manner. But yes, it's an important issue. Therefore, the government has decided that we will move aggressively, at least in the first phase, where we will take up certain areas which are of important concern and which have more traffic and are more vulnerable in nature, and we'll try to move things in a faster manner in those areas. You see, the good part with the organizations that met us now was that, yes, they have mentioned about the ILP, they have mentioned about the Bengal Frontier Act 1873. And but what is important and good that they have mentioned is that while the government examines all those proposals and ideas that have been mentioned by them, it is important that the existing laws that are there should be strengthened and should be implemented in letter and spirit. And I think that is a very positive approach. I think the meeting was very positive in nature, and a lot of positive ideas came out. And I think it's good to interact and get these concerns. And I've told them that any specific concerns that they can always get back to us. It's not a matter that is very simple and easy to decide. There are a lot of constitutional issues that will be looked into. Parliament is involved in it. An act of parliament is required. So political considerations are there. So therefore it is not as simple. But I keep stressing with all the organizations that we meet and all the stakeholders that we meet that ultimately we are all concerned about influx. And there are different mechanisms to check them. And I think what is important is that at least we should make some step forward. And if we keep the discussion going, then ultimately we will not move forward. So what is important is to take concrete steps, one by one at least, to ensure that the system comes into place. So yes, it's a concern, and we are getting the matter examined. And we will see how to move forward in that. Even in Manipur, last time the Manipur government had passed an act for implementation of ILP, which has gone to the Home Ministry and is still lying in the Home Ministry in Delhi. Therefore, it's an act that is very much in the purview of the central government, and the Parliament has to take a call on it. So therefore, organizations or government bodies can come out with the act, but there are constitutional provisions and constitutional conditions that need to be met. So therefore, it's a call they have taken. But I think everyone has to realize that the Constitution does not provide for the Constitutional District Council to make a law on ILP. It is only the Parliament that can make the law on it.
Ila persengau mentan yo Mr. ba akajing pej kejongi baniada ya kajing mrew na kajing sya telep no ka sauba jong kajing wang rung kertlep jong negeri ka an ka ba nikong du ka ba di ban pentrikam ka dia analan permit nalor ki we pat ki an ki ba ngila pensengau pi dan pratli an kan lan permit ke residential permit ke jing pen klaim ke jing tek lakam ya ki nong bela lan ka lebo permit ke street permit di nyong ru ba don kam pen klaim susu ya ka benmi transaction act idon kam pen terkam ya ken RC idon kam ban don itu concept of voting and place of origin ban ka ba khadu kolong bang idon kam ban ya rap ya ki beri jongi khatam ka skill development kanang ba ki beri jongi kila ya ka ban penbiang ya ka jing don kam ka skill kanang ba kini ki beri kina bar kimyo ya ka kam ya ka ban khai ba ban tri ban ni kimi inti ki sap hedi te kita ide ki mat dawa ki ba ngila dawa na du unswa bat ki ba ngi stress mentang sngi ki di artli kawe ki di ka kenalan permit hi bat ka bar ki di ken RC kita ke bangi kam stress hakani ke jingi kendu ko bam tasngi but habang yong ya kana lan pemen na kalian gojongi ngi ong hi ba ladangi hab banjit na ka yu kan lan pemen kan wan ngi tingi jit ya ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act hanrei ni suthu sai ba ka jing sha plat no jong gorohil na ka jing operate na ka jing terikam apo ka Bengal Eastern Frontier kan don kam ya ka Presiden sen ni ong ba nginang suggest no ba kumno en penrung no ye ki bental lan ki kendon anjong kan lan permit apo ka Meghalaya Safety and Security Act ye ka bangila dawa nak por sa por ban review lan ni ban wara jing pentala ni ki amendment ha Meghalaya Safety and Security Act kata ka di ka jingkwa ka jongi namar na kalian jong kai soisi bat kumjuru na diang ki wi ki pelok sang phalang ngimshim ba ka Meghalaya Safety and Security Act kala di ka an ka babiang ya ka bante lakam ya ka inflock ngimpediang hadu menta ba kami Meghalaya Safety and Security Act hakani kadur kadar kebalong menta kadi kaan ka bante lakam yakin flok hibar hoi tingi i ba kadon kam ban panbahang i kadon kam pan klan chusu ya kane ya ka ba nakalian ka sarkar ko ong ba lapha sa political department ka law but EG Advocate General long state ya ka ban study halo kane ka ba sungsi ngi kwa pan pau ko long ba kajing dawa ya ka ban te lakam yakin ya ka jing kertlep jo kemendari kelade ka jing angnud jo ka jam ru salam ba ti sakat no snem kini study sakat no snem kidang ya puli ka long ka ke bang yimla syo banam ya ka ILP la de study dah high level committee por ba bindu bat ula declare ba de penteri kam ya ka ILP po jala ka jungi chief minister un bakla ban ong ba ka Manipuri Protection Bill Arajar Khatsan kamyo asen nomor ba kalong anti constitution kamyo asen nomor kadon ka jing persya jong ki tribal population ha Manipur ya katu ka cut off jong ka 1951 ki klam persya bandon kata LP hinrei ki persya ba beli ya ki om sem lakhen kum kita kin citizen jong Manipur kadi kata ka situation ka ba penlong ya ka parliament ban withheld swa ya ka jing implement ya ka Manipuri Protection Bill kamdei po ang ba kadon kata ka indalan provision hi presiden dari India 1952 Rajendra Prasad asen ya ka implementation ng Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation pi ong presiden asen ya ka an belong unconstitutional in how kandai pa nyu pusau ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ka adopt ya ka Bengal Eastern Frontier bakan trikam ni hato pi ong ba ka Meghalaya ka bakala 1954 ba 1974 baka adopt ya ka unconstitutional law iki ba kajing keren dan kajing keli lah atau ka Bengal Eastern Frontier ka den em po ka ambit yung concern kalau akut bat kalau syai baka dia po ka ambit yung concern ka India kalau syai kata ni nak liang ka jung ngi la suggest wala lada kimtre ya ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation ban pentrikam beli mawara amendment ka Meghalaya Safety and Security Act ya ka bangi la ada suggest la ar penaitam ya ka bamaki kidang study sa adu entah hey lada pentrikam ya ka Bengal Eastern Frontier ka biang lada pentri lada piwanra ya ka necessary amendment ka Meghalaya Safety and Security Act ru mipriang kata kadiga jing kata kadiga jing pediang jong ka sarkar jelakat ba kislubit maki ki kata kadi ka jing kren jongi bat nomor ba ka sarkar government kani sarkar wamta ka haban nang study biang sasin ya ki iman ke jongi kumba pitip ba kaladan ka jingong klep jong sibun ba ki poiwir han ga jala ka jongi khamtak me na ka daw jong ka jing sha wengno jong ki sau ko lak tam jong ki breu ha ka jala ka jongi na kaliang jong ka ช่วยซี่ฮีรังเยชขมัดya kaban habban kan rahi ya kaban ye khmat ya kaban hab chet hi ya kini ki barsla kani ka jing penbena jong seng men ha ko por bang chua bang isak cek ikini nang ye khmat